Steve, SMRRF 2024. At 3D Printopia, you showed me how to do the front idler, and apparently now it's time to see if you're a good teacher, because we all know I'm a good student. Yeah, yep.
Sure.
This is the Trident that's being auctioned off for the Sanjay Mortimer Foundation here at SMRRF 2024. And we thought it would be hilarious to see, have I actually learned anything in the process of building my Trident, screwing it up, learning from Steve how to do it right. So we're gonna see if your boy can get the front idlers correct. We did already get the belts correctly, length. They want me to struggle, but not too bad. And I'm gonna have you rate all of this.
Do I get to correct you as you go, or do I just stand back and laugh?
You can drill sergeant it and be like, what are you doing? That doesn't go there.
Oh, you know that's not me.
But it could be.
Trust in your training.
Yes, master. So
Okay.
the thing that I was told, the logo has to stay up, because the logo doesn't stay up,
Yeah.
it's wrong. I get hurt. Of course, I don't know what starts where, but I think it starts at the bottom.
Yep, bottom's correct.
Yep, bottom and like that.
Just go in an even amount. So
Okay.
you want to make sure that this is going in. Maybe take it to the middle there.
Okay.
And then we'll just tighten this up enough to hold it in place for now.
Okay, just the one's
Okay?
good?
Yep.
Okay, we're gonna...
And that is backwards. So we
What?
started out nice.
No!
Started out nice. It's backwards. You
What
want
happened?
you want teeth forward.
Dang it! 0 out of 10. Terrible. That's about
There
half.
you go. Yep. Just so you can see it, so you can make sure it's even for the next one.
Yep. Through.
Here's where it happens.
Yeah, this is where the rubber and fiberglass meets the idler.
So what's your first thing you got to do there? You got it on your mind. You got your finger on it.
Gotta loosen,
There you
take it out
go.
completely. Gotta loosen, take it out completely. So that this can move around.
Yep. You want it fall all the way back.
Because what we need to do is we need to bring it through,
Yep.
then we need to dig it out and pull it out.
If you're fancy like Doc, you can make that turn, but
I mean,
this is easier.
I can try, but I'm not as cool as Doc,
Well,
so, you know.
Not many of us are.
No, we're gonna bend the belt a little bit so we can get it just around the river bend, if you will. Oh,
Look how easy that was.
Redemption! Redemption! Oh wait, is it bent? No,
Nope,
we're good, we're
nope.
good, we're good. Goes through. We're still on the low side, if I'm
Yep.
correct, so that will come all the way like that. Low side comes around. I'm gonna pull through there. Enough so I can get it around the corner.
Show you a little trick. Pull it back out.
Okay,
Pull it all the way out from the back.
completely.
Yep.
Okay,
Push it through and push it up through the top.
up through the top.
Yep.
These are really nice Allen keys, by the way. Okay.
Now take it back down
Oh. And so
and
now,
loop it around the pulley there.
wait, but it's not
You
toothed.
twisted it somewhere.
What?
Here, I think
Oh
it's
yeah,
just
no,
twisted right here.
it's twisted back here.
That's correct. It probably needs to come out this way. Yeah.
Yep, no, she's coming out. Gotta keep the belt steady. I'm like, it's not going across the toothed part. That's not right. I'm gonna pull through, make sure we're good. We are.
Careful, careful, careful where you're going.
Oh, yep.
There you go.
Yeah, that's the, hey, idiot, you're doing it wrong.
You know, that's the most common misbelt portion right there.
See,
Belt route mistake is right where you just did.
all right, that's gonna come out, down through the bottom. I think I kind of get what you were getting at. You put it down there and just kind of wiggle it till it
Yep.
drops into place. Look at that,
Down from
beautiful.
That side.
Comes down, through there, through this front thing, a doohickey, and it goes on the inside, right?
Yep.
Okay, all right.
That's one.
Oh wait, I'm on the top, I gotta be at the bottom. Go down, go down. That's really tight. Okay, there we go, all right. And then the
Then
bottom
you can
here,
push it through there if you want. Yep.
and then what, just pull more through, I guess?
Yeah, and just pull it, loop it over and pull it all the way through the front. What we can do, just grab anything and pull it
Oh, okay.
forward like that.
All right, that's one of the secrets, man. That's like the non-Voron moron secrets, you know? As far as belt tension goes, is it...
You're not gonna worry about tension right now.
Ah.
Don't tension it all right now.
That's the we don't trust you. And
No, not at all. Because if you try to tension it right now, you're gonna rack the gantry.
oh, that's right. It'll skew. Okay.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
then we start From back.
I would start on this side because then you're doing the same belt path, and then you'll even up where your belts land at the end.
I want to just make one of them upside down just to upset you guys, but I'm not that mean. Oh, I never put the screw back in this front idler.
It's not important until it's all done.
Well, I'm gonna make sure we don't lose the screw, Steve.
That's a good idea.
All right, I got a couple screws up in my head loose, and it's never been right since. Okay. Oh, this is okay.
There you go.
All right, so once we have this, I put the little bend in the belt. I'm gonna go through.
Look at that.
Look at that. It's like every now and then I pay attention sometimes. Holy crap, look at this. How many tridents has he built? One? Well, I'm gonna try it this way because that's how the belt came through.
If you go that way, I'd go up from that direction. Nope, you got it. Nice. Is it on there?
Ah, it's low. I think it's low. Yeah, it went low. Alan. Oh, and it twisted. Got it. I think that's how I did it last time. There. That then comes.
Yeah, you're good.
So there's one belt that's upside down?
It shouldn't be. You've twisted it somewhere.
Oh, no.
You got to twist
I'm an
somewhere.
idiot. I'm an idiot. We're good.
You're not an idiot. It's okay.
All right, I know I tightened that one down. Where'd the gold one go?
So now what I would do is push that in to be even with the other one, the bottom one.
Oh, the top one here?
Uh-huh.
Right.
And then you'll pull both of that side to tension. Pull
Really?
the top one through.
Oh, this top one.
Put that one in to be even with the bottom one.
Gotcha. Okay. Yeah, this is the hard part. This is like.
Okay, tighten this side a little bit.
Which side? This side?
The left side.
Okay.
And we're gonna pull these through and then capture that one and bend it forward.
I don't know how else to do it other than just like kind of mess with it until it.
There we go.
Okay, so tighten
Now you can pull both of those.
and just really rip them in.
Yep, and well, you gotta make sure going all the way around like that.
Oh, yeah.
There we go.
Oh, okay, I can tighten it more.
Here, that's even.
Is it
That's
even?
good.
Oh, yeah! Well, wait. No, it's one tooth. This one's got one more tooth. How the heck did you do? That's really tight. How'd you pull that out by hand?
Leverage.
Uh-oh, why is it loose all of a sudden?
I'm just playing with the belt lengths. It probably also settled.
Oh, right. Yeah,
Settled on the
everything just
pulleys.
kind of like locked in.
There you go. Now you can tighten that up and then check it.
We're missing the screws for that side.
But it's belted.
It is belted.
It is belted. We could hunt around for screws or we could call it belted.
That
I
is
say we call it belted.
officially a belted trident.
Good job. Come on. That was pretty painless.
Pretty painless?
Yeah.
I got Mr. Miyagi over here, and I still don't know how to wax a car, okay?
Remember, dear, no question.
We have officially belted a trident with considerably less frustration than the last time. And
How
that's
long
a
did
win.
it take last time?
I don't want to talk about it.
This was what, 10 minutes?
I don't know. How long is the recording going for?
18? I'd say 12 minutes of belting time.
Okay, so you're all right. You're being nice on the 12. I was gonna go like 15, but still, like that's better than the almost 2 hours that it took last time. That's how learning works,
That's how
and it
learning
is
works.
good to have someone that knows what they're doing. So hopefully you guys have enjoyed this one. I know a lot of you that watch the Voron stream. We're kind of waiting for that final update of Grant actually, belting a trident. So huge thank you to the Voron team for letting me do this. And if you won this trident, if it doesn't work, it's Steve's fault. If it works, it's completely mine. Go check out Steve Builds. His channel's linked in that description. Go check out Voron Design. It's down there as well. I'm hoping to eventually lose my Voron Moron title and move into Voron Apprentice.
When are you going to build a V2?
Gotta get the trident finished first, man. Then we can look at the V2. But a huge thank you again to the Voron team for allowing this to happen. Thank you for putting up with my crap and helping out making this kind of thing possible. And a huge thank you to all of you all who are watching, liking, subscribe, and all those things. Donate to the Sanjay Mortimer Foundation. Links are in that description. That's all we have for you all today. Stay safe out there. Don't forget to call your loved ones. And as always,
Keep making awesome.
he knows it!